Hey, what's up? So Xiaomi has been releasing a lot of smartphones this year, and this one's a good one. It's price friendly and it does well on the features. So the variant I'm holding here is a 128 by 4 GB RAM. There are three variants. There is a 128 by 6, 128 by 4, and there's a 64 by 4 GB RAM too. The variant I'm holding is a 128 by 4. So one of the things you won't miss on this phone at the start is the camera. So there is a small bump. It's just small. It's not that huge camera bump. There's just a small bump at the back, and this has 4 cameras. So the first one, the highest, is a 48 megapixel camera. The second one right there, that's a 48 megapixel camera. It is a 1/2 inch sensor. That's about a 0.5 inch sensor. It's not a bad camera smartphone sensor. That's a nice one. It's a 48 megapixel camera. This is your main camera. You have a second camera, the one on top. That's a 8 megapixel smartphone camera. This 8 megapixel is 1/4 inch sensor, so that's about 0.25. Then thirdly, you will have the rest, the two. They are 2 megapixel each. 2 megapixel down below, and 2 megapixel for the macro. Also, the 8 megapixel on top, that's an ultra wide. And another thing is that the ultra wide of this smartphone is one of the widest ultra wides. Like right now, the widest ultra wide is with the Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra. That's about a 128-degree ultra wide. This one does a 120. So that puts it way in the top category with the top smartphones, the S21s and the Mi 11 Ultra. It's a nice camera. On the front, the one on the notch is an 8 megapixel camera, selfie camera. Both cameras will shoot video at 1080p. That's maximum res. 1080p. They will all do 30 frames per second at 1080p. So that's a nice camera. Video will all be 30 fps. Hey, so I want you to do something for me. If you're interested in tech, smartphones, reviews, and just tech in general, why don't you subscribe for me down below, and YouTube will make sure to notify you first every time we make content like this. The headphone jack is at the top, and the USB Type-C at the back. At the back, you will see, the USB Type-C at the bottom, but at the back, what you will see is this blue color they call twilight blue. But it seems to be originating from the macro camera somehow. There is this sunlight effect right there. So before we get into it, this back is an anti-fingerprint texture and does really well at rejecting fingerprints. You can see. It's overall it's a little rough, but that's the trick. It's really good at rejecting fingerprints. At the front, this is your 6.53-inch IPS LCD display. It's a really nice screen. The bezels are not that thin, especially on top and at the bottom, but it's a little thin on the edges. On the sides, the screen has this drop notch camera on top at the center. It has 400 nits of brightness, which is really nice. It's not that great. It's not great, but it's a little nice for brightness. So lows get a little lows, dark get a little dark, and bright is a little bright. So the battery on the back there, that's another thing. It's a 6,000 milliamperes lithium polymer battery. a huge battery, but it will do up to 18 watts of fast charging if you use its brick, and it can also do reverse charging, so you can power other smartphones using this one. So you can do reverse charging at 2.5 watts and it will charge at 18 watts, which is overall pretty nice. The cable is a USB Type-C cable, and this is what will be with the 18 watts fast charging. So something else to note about this is that the fingerprint is side mounted and fast. So like it just opens as soon as you touch it, and there is almost a zero delay. It's very fast. This is a nice one. Well, as for the software, the Redmi Note 90 comes with Android 10, of course, and it's my version 12. Yeah, so it's Android 10 and my 12. And the software of mine, it does differ from Android. There are a lot of things, there are a lot of features that are added, which you can explore so many features in the software. The software is so good. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sam, so please subscribe below, and see you next time.